Painting the entire interior of your home may feel like a daunting project, but with a bit of planning and a clear vision in mind, it will be fun and very rewarding. These tips will help you plan your project before getting started. Here's what you're going to need. Premium paint for all surfaces, including quality interior, prep, wall and ceiling paint, as well as paint for doors and trims from the Taubmans Endure interior range with 18-1 multi-benefit protection. For a real designer edge, try the ultra-washable stain-resistant Taubmans Endure interior in a matte finish. Or if you're looking for value in a quality paint, try Easy Coat interior range with the added protection of Microban for a healthier home. You'll also need canvas drop cloths, sponge and soap solution using detergent and water, masking tape, pre-mixed filler and flexible filling blades, sandpaper at 180 or 240 grade, a 25mm angled brush for getting into those hard-to-paint areas and for trim work. 50mm and 63mm brushes are easier to use for first-time painters. Taubmans recommends only using premium brushes and rollers like the ones from Monarch. A 230 or 270mm roller frame, pole and matching paint tray. We recommend using 12mm nap roller covers for walls and 20mm naps for ceilings. And lastly, a step ladder. It may take a couple of weeks to paint your entire home, but this will be dependent on the size of your home. To begin, think about the colour scheme that will be used throughout the house, and then consider the colour palette within each room. Use the paint calculator on our website to help determine the quantity of each type of paint you'll need. As a guide, most interior paints cover 12 to 16 square metres per litre. You may choose to tackle your project by painting one room at a time, or by type of paint. Either way, we suggest always working from the top down, beginning with the ceilings, then walls, and finally doors, trims and window frames. Allow adequate drying time for all surfaces between coats. Now it's time for the fun part, and adding your furnishings and taking in your newly painted home. There are more videos on the Taubmans website or YouTube channel to guide you through every painting job, from how to prepare and how to paint a wall. Now let's go paint!